let's find what is the relation between delta y and dy. Okay, so here we are having a nice figure on the whiteboard. Now what the figure shows, from this figure, from A to B, this is a nice curve, and the equation of the curve, it is for the function y is equal to fx. Okay, then this line with the blue, this is a tangent line from A to the curve. Now we are having coordinates A is equal to x comma y. Coordinates of B, we have taken x plus delta x and y plus delta y. Then the tangent, it is cutting the line parallel to y axis at point D, and the coordinates of D are x plus dy and y plus dy. Now what is from distance from O to P? When the coordinates of A are x, y, it means OP is x and AP is equal to y. When AP is y, it means CM is also y. Okay. Now coordinates of B are x plus delta x. It means OM is x plus delta x. And what is then PM? If PM is required by us, what is PM? X plus delta x minus x, that is delta x. Okay. Similarly, we can have BC is equal to delta y and CD is equal to dy, and these I have written the coordinates of the figure. Okay. Now let's find the relation between delta y and dy. Now let A x comma y and B, and the coordinates of B are x plus delta x and y plus delta y, be any two distinct points on the curve of a function, and the function is y is equal to fx. Okay, simple things, that A and B are the 2 points lying on the curve. Here is A and here is B, anywhere 2 points. Okay, I have mentioned some distance for that point. Now let dy and dx be the differentials of x and y, dy and dx be the differentials of x and y respectively. Now in our figure, what we are having? In the figure, AC is equal to, now what AC is? I told you AC or PM one and the same thing. AC is what? This distance. It is this one minus this one. Okay. So AC is equal to delta x, and we can write delta x is equal to dx, and BC is equal to delta y. We have mentioned here BC is equal to delta y and CD is equal to dy. You can check from here also. Okay. So now one more thing, we have learned tangent and normals, and we are knowing that tangent is a what? Basically a tangent at any point is the slope of the line. Okay. So we are having, now we can write it, slope of tangent at point A. Slope of tangent at A is equal to, now we are having DC upon AC. Now you can check it. What we are having? We are having like this one, A, C and D. This is right angle, and this we are discussing what it is. Perpendicular upon base, that shows what? Tangent. of that particular point or of that particular angle. So DC upon AC is the slope of a tangent at point A. Okay. Now what we can write it, as we have learnt in tangent and normals, that if we want to find the slope, we can differentiate an equation. Okay. So we can write it f derivative x is equal to DC by AC. Okay. Slope of the tangent DC by AC is what? Differentiation. Okay. Now f derivative x is equal to DC upon AC, or DC or CD, one and the same thing, or we can write it DC is equal to f derivative x with AC. Now this AC multiplied by f derivative x, we are having DC is equal to f derivative x with AC, or we can write it DC is equal to f derivative x with delta x. Okay. AC is what? Delta x. Now finally what we are having? We can write it dy is equal to f derivative x with delta x. Now this is what? By definition. This is by the definition. Now we are also knowing that now delta y, increment of y, minus dy is equal to BC minus CD, and this is equal to BD. Okay. Now what the relation we are getting? What type of a relation you are getting? That, now be careful, I am writing the relation, the differential dy and the increment delta y and the increment delta y of dependent variable may not be equal. Okay. So what the relation between delta y and dy is? That delta y and dy are not equal. Okay. So that's why we are having two basic things which we have learned from the differentials and from this figure. Okay. Two things which we have learned from the differentials. I introduced you about the differentials in details, and then with the figure what is the difference between delta y and dy. And now a small recap what we are having. Now we can write it. What we can write it? Now the differential of x defined by, we can write it, the differential let me use another pen. The differential of x denoted by delta x is defined dx is equal to delta x. One thing. Second thing, the differential of y denoted by dy is defined dy is equal to f derivative x into dx, or dy is equal to f derivative x into delta x, one and the same thing. Okay. So this was the small recap that what is the relation between increment and differential, and what we get for the relation between dy and dx and dy and dy and delta y and dx and delta x. Okay, so this was all about